We'll guide you through how to use your phone as a webcam in OBS or Streamlabs. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. A Facecam can be a great addition to your recording or live stream. To get started, go and open up a web browser of your choice, as we do need to go and get an app in order to do this. This app is called GuideRealm, so go and search for it and come to GuideRealm.app. What you then need to do is go and scroll down and you can go and find the downloads. Let's get the client here. We can press Windows Setup and then press Download. Wait for it to finish. Open up your File Explorer and come to Downloads on the left. Here the client is. We can double click on it and start the install process like any other app. Press finish and we've now installed it. Now come onto your phone. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android. Open up your phone store. You can press search at the bottom and go and search for GuideRealm and go and download it. When you've got it, you can then go and open it up like so. We'll need to go through and there'll be various permissions we'll need to go and give. What you can then do is go and rotate your phone and position it. Come to the bottom of your computer and press search and go and tap GuideRealm client. Click to add a device. Go and see if it finds it, otherwise press refresh, then press refresh again. Go and type in a name for it, and then type in the IP shown on the iPhone screen. Press OK and it should go and find it. What we'll need to do is go and flip the camera though. Here we are. Now come into OBS and press plus in the sources, and you want to press video capture device and press OK. In device, you can then go and find GuideRealm. Then go and press OK and it'll go and be added. As you can see, there it is. You can go and adjust it to your liking, and you can crop it by holding Alt and then dragging on the sides. Go and position it where you want it, and that's it.